Hi, hello my dear students. Now in this class we are going to support some numerical problems on chapter wave optics. So this is our seventh problem. So here light from a mercury vapor lamp illuminates double slits covered with green filter. So in young double slit experiment using source of light is mercury vapor lamp. So here double slits covered with green filter. Clear? The interference pattern is observed on a screen 1 meter from the slit. Means solution given. So here double slits covered with green filter. The interference pattern is observed on a screen 1 meter from the slit. So distance between slit to the screen is nothing but 1 meter. Means capital D is equal to 1 meter. Then if the width of 10 fringes is 4.2 millimeter. So here n is equal to 10. Then width of 10 fringes means 4.2 millimeter, but width of one fringe is beta is equal to 4.2 by 10. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 fringes width ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4.2 millimeter ಇದೆ, but distance between either too bright or dark fringe width is 9, but beta is equal to 4.2 divided by 10. Clear? Into 10 power. So here minus 3 millimeter means 10 power minus 3. Then beta is equal to, so here 4.2 divided by 10. We are getting 0.42 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this is nothing but fringe width. Clear? Next. So here calculate the separation between the slits. Separation between the slits means small d is equal to question mark. This is first condition. Then what will be the change in the fringe width if yellow filter is used? So instead of green filter, changes to using yellow filter. Then what is the change in fringe width? Change in fringe width means beta dash is equal to question mark. So green filter ಅನ್ನು replace ಮಾಡಿ yellow filter ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ change in fringe width ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So beta dash is equal to question mark. So here wavelength of given wavelength of green light is lambda is equal to 540 nanometer. Nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter. Then yellow light of wavelength is lambda y is equal to 572 nanometer. Clear? 572 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So this is our given data. Now we know that fringe width, according to Young double slit experiment, fringe width means beta is equal to lambda into capital D divided by small d. So here calculate the distance between double slit anta keltare. So capital small d is equal to lambda into capital D divided by 0.42 into 10 power minus 3. So again d is equal to 540 into 1 becomes 540 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.42 becomes, we are getting 1285.71 into 10 power minus 9 is there. Here minus 3 is taking for numerator because plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 becomes 10 power minus 6. Clear? Then d is equal to, so here this point is shifted towards the left side. 1, 2, 3. So 1.29 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? So this is the distance between double slits. So calculate the distance between double slit anta keltare. First case sari, now using the formula beta is equal to lambda d divided by small d. Now small d na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. small d ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ small d is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, lambda green light of wavelength lambda g into d divided by beta. So is equal to, so here wavelength means 540 into 10 power minus 9 into distance between slit to the screen means 1 by beta value becomes 0.42 into 10 power minus fringe width value. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1285.71 into 10 power minus 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪವರನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1.285 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 571 ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 8ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 9. ಸೊ 1.29 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? Next case, So here beta dash is equal to lambda yellow into d, wavelength of yellow light into capital D divided by small d. Clear? Again, so wavelength of yellow light means 572 into 10 power minus 9 into distance between slit to the screen means 1 by distance between double slit and so we are getting 1.29 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Then 572 into 1 becomes 572 into 10 power minus 9 by 1.29 becomes 443.4 into 10 power minus 6. Clear? So minus 9 ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 10 ಪವರ್ minus 6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 1 2 3 ಸೊ ಈಗೇನು 0.44 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? So this is nothing but change in fringe width when yellow filter is used. Clear? Beta dash is equal to 0.44 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Unit of SI unit of fringe width is meter. Then SI unit of wavelength is also nothing but meter. Clear? Next one, 8th problem. So here in a double slit experiment, the width of bright fringes obtained with light of wavelength. So according to Young double slit experiment, so here given width of bright fringes obtained with the wavelength means wavelength of light used here. Solution given ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 600 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 10 ಪವರ್ minus 9 ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 0.44 millimeter 0.44 millimeter. Here fringe width value beta is equal to 0.4 millimeter means 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? Then find the fringe width if the entire apparatus is immersed in water of refractive. So whole setup of Young double slit apparatus are immersed inside the water. So find out the fringe width ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ Young double slit ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Then refractive index of atom is NW is equal to 4/3. So 4 divided by 3 becomes 1.33. Clear? So we know that fringe width according to Young double slit experiment, fringe width beta is equal to formula lambda into capital D divided by small d. So but here given wavelength and fringe width, but we don't know the value of distance between slit and the screen and distance between the double slit. So ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ given data ಪ್ರಕಾರ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತು ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0.4 into 10 power minus 3 by wavelength means lambda 600 into 10 power minus 9. Then d divided by small d is equal to, so we are getting 0.00067 into 10 power. So minus 9 is taking for numerator becomes plus 9. Minus 3 becomes plus 7. Clear? Then d divided by small d is equal to, so this point is shifted towards the right side, then 6.7 into 10 power 3. So here positive power becomes decreases when point is shifted towards the right side. Clear? So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. d divided by small d is equal to 6.7 into 10 power 3. So unitless quantity ratios d divided by small d. So again we know that suppose whole apparatus are immersed inside the liquid medium, so wavelength of light changes. Suppose whole apparatus na water medium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಲೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಏರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ So here refractive index of water with respect to air means NW divided by NA is equal to, so wavelength of light traveling from air medium towards the water medium is lambda divided by lambda dash. The ratio of wavelength of light traveling in air medium becomes lambda to the wavelength of light traveling in water medium becomes lambda dash. Clear? So here refractive index of water with respect to air andre NW divided by NA is equal to ratios of wavelength from air medium towards the water medium andre lambda divided by lambda dash. Clear? Then lambda dash is equal to, so for cross multiplication, so here for cross multiplication lambda into NA by NW. Clear? So again here lambda, so here lambda value, lambda dash is equal to lambda value 600 into 10 power minus 9 into, so refractive index of water becomes 1, sorry, refractive index of air becomes 1, refractive index of water becomes 1.33. Clear? Then lambda dash is equal to, so here 600 into 1 becomes 600 by 1.33 becomes 451.13 into 10 power minus 9, or lambda dash is equal to 451.13 nanometer. 451.13 nanometer. Clear? This is the wavelength of light. So change in fringe width means beta dash is equal to lambda dash into capital D divided by small d. So here changing wavelength means 451.13 into 10 power minus 9 into, so here capital D divided by small d becomes 6.7 into 10 power 3. 6.7 into 10 power plus 3. So here 551.13 into 6.7 becomes, so we are getting beta dash is equal to 3022.6 into 10 power minus 7. So here this point is shifted towards the left side, then beta dash is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0.30 into 10 power minus 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪವರು 4 ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 10 ಪವರ್ minus 3. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನೈನ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ fringe width when whole apparatus are immersed inside the water medium. Clear?